So this one is definitely a video I didn't want to make. If you saw the title, you probably already know what's coming. During the Skyebrowse review, I kind of lambasted the app pretty heavily, specifically because the Mini 2 kept crashing. So I spoke to the CEO, we sent a couple of emails, and then he says that he had done it. He showed me some of the videos, so I got kind of scared. I was like, maybe my methodology is bad, right? So I was using the Pixel 4a, as you can see right here. So I came out here and my Mini just landed, so that's why I'm recording this specific thing, right? So my Mini 2 just landed and I ended up coming out here because I was shooting something else, a top secret video that we're gonna see soon. And I have brought this Motorola G7, which runs Android 10, and it turns out the issue is probably tied to Android 12's security. So by now you should already be seeing the screen captures of me on the Motorola getting the Mini 2 to work perfectly with Skyebrowse. So if you have an Android 12 device, I would love for somebody else to test it to see if it's just mine. But yes, the issues with the touch point and the issues with the feet and meters are still valid, but the Mini 2 was capable of capturing the this pavilion here that is used for rentals a whole bunch of times. I did have one crash, but I was able to capture 2 videos of the model, so it's you know, it's good, it works. And it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Man, ADHD is a real thing. What's up, buddy?